ओम श्री सद्गुरु परमात्मने नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु परमात्मने नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु भगवान शिवानंदाय नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु भगवान शिवानंदाय नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः। गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरोर्पदम् मंत्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरोर्कृपा। मोक्षमूलं शिवानन्दाकृपा। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम्। एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। यस्यान्तर्नादिमध्यं न हि करचरणं नाम गोत्रं न सूत्रं नो जातिर्नैव वर्णं न भवति पुरुषो नो नपुंसं न च स्त्री। नाकारं नो विकारं न हि जननं मरणं नास्ति पुण्यं न पापं नो तत्त्वं तत्त्वमेकं सहजसमरसं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। चैतन्यं शाश्वतं शान्तं व्योमातीतं निरञ्जनं नादबिन्दुकलातीतं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानमूलहरणं जन्मकर्मनिवारणं ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यार्थं गुरोपादोदकं पिबेत्। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये निष्प्रपञ्चाय शान्ताय निरालम्बाय तेजसे नित्यशुभं निराभासं निराकारं निरञ्जनं नित्यबोधं चिदानन्दं गुरु ब्रह्मा नमाम्यहम्। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। निधये सर्वविद्यानां विषजे भवरोगिणां गुरवे सर्वलोकानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरुदेव की जय।
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां।
श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश रक्ष मां।
जय सरस्वती जय सरस्वती जय सरस्वती पाहि मां।
श्री सरस्वती श्री सरस्वती श्री सरस्वती रक्ष मां।
जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा पाहि मां।
जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा रक्ष मां।
जय श्री काली जय श्री काली जय श्री काली पाहि मां।
जय श्री काली जय श्री काली जय श्री काली रक्ष मां।
जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी पाहि मां।
जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी रक्ष मां।
सरवण भव सरवण भव सरवण भव पाहि मां।
सुब्रह्मण्य 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 रक्ष मां। दत्तात्रेय 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 पाहि मां। दत्तगुरु 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 रक्ष मां।
शिवानंद 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 पाहि मां।
शिवानंद 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 रक्ष मां।
जय गुरु शिव गुरु हरि गुरु राम।
जगद्गुरु परम गुरु सद्गुरु श्याम।
आदि गुरु अद्वैत
चिद्गुरु आनंद गुरु ओम चिद्गुरु चिन्मय गुरु चिन्माया गुरु ओम जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम जय राधे श्याम जय जय राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम जय जय राधे श्याम जय हनुमान जय जय हनुमान जय हनुमान जय जय हनुमान हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे शिवानंदा शिवानंदा सद्गुरुनाथा शिवानंदा 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 सद्गुरुनाथा शिवानंदा 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 सद्गुरुनाथा शिवानंदा जय गुरुदेव दयानिधि दीन हितकारी जय जय मोह विनाशक भवबंधनहारी जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव ब्रह्मा विष्णु सदा शिव गुरु मूर्ति धारी वेद पुराण बखानत गुरु महिमा भारी जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव जप तप तीरथ संयम दान विरत दीने गुरु बिन ज्ञान न होवे बोधि जतन कीने जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव माया मोहन दी जल जीव बहे सारी नाम जहान पिता कर गुरु बल में धारी जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव काम क्रोध मद मत्सर चोर बड़े भारी ज्ञान करक ने कर में गुरु सब संहारी जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव नाना पंथ जगत में निज निज गुण गावे सबका सार बता कर गुरु मार्ग लावे जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव गुरु चरणामृत निर्मल सब बाधक हारी वचन सुनत तम नाशे सब संशय तारी जय देव
सब अर्पण गुरु चरणन की जय। शिवानंद परम पद मोक्ष गति दीजे। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। ओम जय गुरुदेव दयानिधि दीन हितकारी। जय जय मोह विनाशक भवबंधनहारी। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव।
O adorable Lord of mercy and love, salutations and prostrations unto thee. Thou art omnipresent, omnipotent and omniscient. Thou art Sachidananda. Thou art the indweller of all beings. Grant us an understanding heart, equal vision, balanced mind, faith, devotion and wisdom. Grant us inner spiritual strength to resist temptations and to control the mind. Free us from egoism, lust, greed, anger and hatred. Fill our hearts with divine virtues. Let us behold thee in all these names and forms. Let us serve thee in all these names and forms. Let us ever remember thee. Let us be ever loyal to thee. Let us ever sing thy glories. Let thy name be ever on our lips. Let us abide in thee forever and ever. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. O all-merciful Gurudev, every thought of my mind, every emotion of my heart, every movement of my being, every feeling and every sensation, each cell of my body, each drop of my blood, all is yours, Gurudev, yours absolutely, yours without any reserve. Gurudev, you can decide my life or my death, my happiness or my sorrow, my pleasure or my pain. Gurudev, whatever you do with me, whatever comes to me from you, will lead me to your lotus feet. Gurudev, you have provided us with the best facilities in the world for our spiritual growth. May we take full advantage of this precious gift of yours, Gurudev. May we look upon the ashram and all its contents as your body and treat them with love and reverence. This is our heartfelt prayer to you, Gurudev. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, सबको गले से लगा के चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। संगी साथी ईश्वर है रखवाला, जिसका न कोई संगी साथी ईश्वर है रखवाला। जो निर्धन है, जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा। जो निर्धन है, जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा। प्यार का मोती प्यार का मोती लुटाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। आशा टूटी, ममता रूठी, छूट गया है किनारा। आशा टूटी, ममता रूठी, छूट गया है किनारा। बंद करो मत द्वार दया का, दे दो मुझको सहारा। बंद करो मत द्वार दया का, दे दो मुझको सहारा। दीप दया का दीप दया का जलाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो।
ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय, ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय, ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। On behalf of our Divine Master, Sri Swami Sivananda and Pujya Swami Sahajananda, we extend a warm and cordial welcome to all to this, our Yoga Camp Satsang. We also extend a special welcome to donors, well-wishers, devotees tuning in for the first time, and those from abroad. We read from Guru Bhakti Yoga by Sri Swami Sivananda. Some seekers think that Guru Seva Yoga is an inferior type of yoga. They have thoroughly misunderstood the secret of spirituality. Guru Bhakti Yoga, Guru Seva Yoga, and Guru Sarana Yoga are synonymous terms. They are one and the same. Guru Bhakti Yoga is the king among all yogas. Guru Bhakti Yoga is the easiest, quickest, cheapest, surest, and safest way for attaining God consciousness. May you all attain God consciousness in this very birth through the practice of Guru Bhakti Yoga. Practice Guru Bhakti Yoga and regain your lost divinity. Practice Guru Bhakti Yoga and go beyond all that cause duality and sorrow. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Questions and Answers is a collection of questions posed to the Divine Master
and the Master's responses in his most simple and practical style that can be understood by all.
Gurudev, a sannyasin once described me as Karya Paltan. I was told that this means one without a guru. Alas, I am guilty of this charge. Truly speaking, I had a guru. He has disappeared, leaving me all alone. Initiation, it appears to me, means a change of mind. He who lives in my heart made a radical change in my mind. I made several attempts to get initiated by Swami X, but every time an obstruction came from within. I heard him say in a clear voice, "I am your real guru living within. Kindly let me know if a guru in physical form is necessary."
Beloved seeker, I am glad to note that you believe in the self within. He who lives in your heart is your real guru. But a personal guru is also necessary. The spiritual path is beset with many obstacles. The guru, who has already trodden the path, will guide an aspirant safely and remove all sorts of obstacles and difficulties. There is not a more powerful way of overhauling the vicious nature and old mental impressions than personal contact with and service of the Guru. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, "Learn thou this by discipleship, by investigation, and by service. The wise, the seers of the essence of things, will instruct thee in wisdom." In the Yoga Vashista, you will find, to the real seekers of knowledge, the Guru's words enable one to know one's own self. The Guru's grace will in a mysterious manner enable the disciple to perceive the Brahmic principle within. Though it is impossible for the Guru to point out Brahman as this or that, it is indeed very rare to attain that state without the help of a Guru and spiritual books. Guru, Ishvara, Om, and Brahman are all one. Have the mind fixed on the Guru as the indwelling self. Implicitly obey him. His words must be gospel truths to you. You have to superimpose all the attributes of Ishvara on him. It is the Guru who removes the veil of ignorance. Serve him with devotion, then you will get his grace. The physical form of the Guru will slowly vanish. You will realize the Atman in and through him. You will see your Guru in all forms, both animate and inanimate. Initiation is not a mere change of the mind. It is the instructions of the Guru revealing the mystery of the Mahavakyas. Real change of mind is achieved by the aspirant only after initiation. The Yoga Vashista says, each aspirant should cognize the self within himself through his own efforts, with the aid of a Guru and an understanding of the significance of the Srutis. In these days, many students select their own method of sadhana according to their own fancy, without considering the consequences. Improper diet, wrong sadhana, hard and foolish austerities in a weak body, and torturing the body in the name of austerity have entirely ruined many seekers. Therefore, a personal Guru is necessary to guide the aspirant on the spiritual path and give him timely instructions then and there, according to the season, circumstances, and progress of the individual. If you cannot find a proper Guru who will guide you in your sadhana, then you can rely on him within yourself.
Have the spirit of selfless service. Serve the poor and the sick. Share what you have with others.
The book Sure Ways for Success in Life and God Realization is highly acclaimed as a masterpiece of Sri Swami Shivananda. It is described as a reliable guide to super living. The articles on relaxation and conservation of energy are practical in approach and sure to add value to the busy man's life.
Sure Ways for Success in Life and God Realization by Sri Swami Shivananda. What is success? Is it material prosperity, getting on well in the world with plenty of money and children? Or is it something else? Success is of two kinds, worldly and spiritual. If you are in good, affluent circumstances, if you have everything that this world can give you, you have worldly success. This alone will not suffice, however, because the world is imperfect. You must attain success in the spiritual field also. You must be successful in the path of God realization. Then your success will be complete and perfect. In order to attain success in any field, one needs to pay attention to certain prerequisites. Mental relaxation and conservation of energy will form the cornerstone of spiritual success. Mental relaxation. Just as you relax your muscles after having finished your asanas and physical exercises, so also you will have to relax the mind and give it rest after concentration and meditation, and after the practice of memory and will culture. Relaxation of the muscles brings repose to mind. Similarly, relaxation of the mind brings rest to the body. Body and mind are intimately connected. Body is a mold prepared by the mind for its enjoyment. Expel fear, worry, and anger. Think of courage, joy, bliss, peace, and cheerfulness. Sit for 15 minutes in a relaxed manner, in an easy, comfortable position. You can repose in an easy chair. Close the eyes. Withdraw the mind from outside objects. Still the mind. Silence the bubbling thoughts. Think of your real self. Think that you are the immortal, eternal, imperishable Atman. Again and again, rotate the mind on these sublime ideas. Think that you are an ocean of bliss and peace. Now, open your eyes. You will experience immense mental peace, mental vigor, and mental strength. You will have a calm, serene, and tranquil mind. Practice and feel the divine bliss. You can do this at any time you like, in any place you choose. You can do this several times daily. You will have no tension in the mind. Close the eyes. Think of anything that is very pleasant to the mind. This will relax the mind in a wonderful manner. Think of the grandeur of the Himalayas, the sacred Ganges, or any striking scenery. Mental relaxation is more important than physical relaxation. If the mind is serene and calm, all the internal organs are energized and nourished. Life is prolonged. If the mind is under tension, the physical organs deteriorate quickly. There is physical exhaustion, not from the amount of exertion, but from tension.
Lead a well-regulated, disciplined life. Be moderate in everything. Adopt the golden mean or the middle path.
கங்கை அணிந்தவா கண்டோர் தொழும்பிலாசா சதங்கையாடும் பாத வினோதா லிங்கேஸ்வரா நின்தா துணை நீதா
பலவித நாடும் பணிவுடனுமையே துதிப்பாடும் கலையலங்கார பாண்டியராணி நேசா கலையலங்கார பாண்டியராணி நேசா மலையில் வாசா மங்கா மணியானவா एक बार मोहन हमारे मंदिर आओ रे। एक बार मोहन हमारे मंदिर आओ रे। मारे मंदिर आओ मारा वाला मारा अंगनिया सुभावो रे। मारे सुभावो रे। एक बार मोहन हमारे मंदिर आओ रे। एक बार मोहन हमारे मंदिर आओ रे। माई मोरी माँ एक राम नाम छे। माई मोरी माँ एक राम नाम छे। बीजी वस्तु नो अभावो रे। बीजी वस्तु नो अभावो रे। एक बार मोहन हमारे मंदिर आओ रे। एक बार मोहन हमारे मंदिर आओ रे। नानी सी झोपड़ी है मन मारा मोटड़ा। नानी सी झोपड़ी है मन मारा मोटड़ा। माँ के संकल्प न लाओ रे। माँ के संकल्प न लाओ रे। एक बार मोहन हमारे मंदिर आओ रे। एक बार मोहन हमारे मंदिर आओ रे। शंकर कहे प्रभु प्रेम ने अधीन छे। शंकर कहे प्रभु प्रेम ने अधीन छे। एक हरि गुण गावो रे। एक हरि गुण
शिवानंद जी की।
सज्जन यही समय है आओ, शरण स्वामी शिवानंद जी की। सज्जन यही समय है आओ, छल कपट और झूठ को त्यागो। आपका जय जयकार हो। जय जय स्वामी ऋषिकेश वासा, आपका जय जयकार हो। शरण स्वामी शिवानंद जी की। सज्जन यही समय है आओ, शरण स्वामी शिवानंद जी की। सज्जन यही समय है आओ। हाथ जोड़ करते विनती हम, तेरे ही चरणों पे शीश निभाओ। हाथ जोड़ करते विनती हम, तेरे ही चरणों पे शीश निभाओ। जय जय स्वामी जय जय, जय जय स्वामी सद्गुरु नाना। तेरे ही गुण हम सब मिल गाओ। जय जय स्वामी सद्गुरु नाना। तेरे ही गुण हम सब मिल गाओ। शरण स्वामी शिवानंद जी की। सज्जन यही समय है आओ, शरण स्वामी शिवानंद जी की। सज्जन यही समय है आओ। स्वामी शिवानंद कह गए वाणी, स्वामी शिवानंद कह गए वाणी। स्वामी शिवानंद कह गए वाणी। स्वामी शिवानंद कह गए वाणी। Purify, meditate, realize. स्वामी शिवानंद कह गए वाणी। सर्वज्ञ purify, meditate, realize. जय जय स्वामी जय जय, जय जय स्वामी ऋषिकेश वासा। आपका जय जयकार हो। जय जय जन जल्दी समय आओ।
The following are our announcements. We invite devotees and the public to join our online home satsangs via the links on our website. Please join us for the following important online special satsang. The most auspicious Ganga Saptami will be observed on Tuesday, the 18th of May 2021. Online Ganga Aarti is at 5:30 p.m. followed by satsang. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, our ashrams and branches remain closed until further notice. Devotees and visitors are respectfully informed that visits to any of our ashrams or branches must be authorized by the Board of Management. We offer special prayers for all those who are ill, those who have lost loved ones, the departed, our frontline workers, and for world peace. We remind devotees to follow all the COVID-19 protocols, guidelines, and the rules for lockdown so as to keep safe. Devotees and the public are reminded that if one is infected or has any symptoms, then one is required to please isolate and follow doctor's advice. Pujya Swamiji has given elaborate descriptions in our books of the value of the Maha Mrityunjaya Mantra, Agnihotra, and Sri Hanuman Chalisa. Devotees are urged to continue with these practices regularly for their own safety and protection. Agnihotra will also help to bring rain. As per Pujya Swamiji's advice, the Maha Mrityunjaya Mantra should be repeated all the time while driving. If we cannot repeat the mantra all the time, then repeat it as often as possible. It will help to prevent accidents, robberies, hijackings, and other calamities. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. 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 Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Vandanaन् Mrityormukshamamritat. 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 Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam
उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् 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 उर्वारुकमिवावन्दनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिवावन्दनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात्
श्री सद्गुरुदेव की जय। जय जय आरती विघ्न विनायक विघ्न विनायक श्री गणेशा जय जय आरती वेणुगोपाला वेणुगोपाला वेणुलोला जय जय आरती अंजनेया अंजनेया हनुमंता जय जय आरती दत्तात्रेय दत्तात्रेय त्रिमूर्ति अवतारा जय जय आरती सद्गुरुनादा सद्गुरुनादा भगवान शिवानंदा सद्गुरुनादा भगवान विश्वानंदा जय जय आरती विघ्न विनायक ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु सर्वेषां शान्ति भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ॐ पूर्णमदा पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते।
ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्री सद्गुरु भगवान की जय।